Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm Archana Singh. In this video lecture, I'm going to talk about Toni Morrison. We will discuss some important facts, some important works of Toni Morrison, and we will also discuss some questions which were asked in previous NET JRF exam. So let's start. So who was Toni Morrison? Toni Morrison is an African American fiction writer. She was born in 1931 and died very recently, 2019. Her novel became famous in 1970s and 1980s. She won numerous awards for her work, most famously a Nobel Prize in Literature and a Pulitzer Prize for Fiction. She has written great and important works. The Bluest Eye, Sula, Song of Solomon, Tar Baby, Beloved, Jazz, Paradise, Love, and A Mercy. Okay. The most famous novels are The Bluest Eye, which was published in 1970, The Song of Solomon in 1977, and Beloved, which was published in 1987. These are some famous novels which were from which always question asked in exam. So we will discuss all these three novels in this video lecture, and we will discuss some important questions which were asked. Okay. So the very first work we will discuss is The Bluest Eye. She wrote this book because she wanted to write a book that did not exist at the time, and she wanted it to be a book she would want to read. Okay, she wanted to read a book, such kind of books, and though the book was not written yet, so she herself write this book, and this book was continued from a short story Morrison had wrote earlier about an African American girl who wanted blue eye. Okay, the book is about a African American girl who wanted blue eyes. The novel shows the problem of race, class, hierarchies related to poor and blacks. They have internalized their inferior position from white culture and do not believe anything else. In almost all work of Toni Morrison, we can analyze the theme of class, gender, rich and poor, black, white, and social hierarchy. What is the theme of this novel, The Bluest Eye? So, what is the theme of this novel? From her family, she has taught to have a strong, okay, from her family, she was taught to have a strong black self image, which is prevalent in her novels. Maternal authority and equality in marriage, power in black community, African American identity, same trauma, and family life all are the theme of this novel, The Bluest Eye. The main character in this novel, in The Bluest Eye, is Pecola. Pecola is the main character, and she goes through many trauma, including racial shaming, rejection and abuse from her mother, sexual abuse from her alcoholic and violent father, and scapegoating by members of the community. And finally, Pecola ends up having to create an eternal identity because her true life is too difficult to bear. The next book we will discuss is Song of Solomon. This novel revolves around the theme of black masculinity, assimilation, and black nationalism. The search for African American roots is also a large part of the book. It brings attention to the personal, familial, and social historical aspect of African American identities. Okay, the main character in this novel, Song of Solomon, is Milkman Did. Okay, Milkman Did is the main character, and he is black elite, but he carries shame from his family. Okay, He learns about black masculinity and his true identity while in different parts of United States. This book is really addressed to middle class African American males as it shows the struggle between classes and how to fit in it with the privileged and the poor blacks. The next novel we will discuss is Beloved. Okay, and in this work, Toni Morrison has focused on slavery. She shows slavery in its harshest and truest form because she does not want people to forget how much hurt and shame it caused. In this work, Beloved, she shows slavery in its truest and harshest form because she does not want people to forget how much hurt and shame it caused. Okay, through this work, she reveals the truest and harshest form of slavery and she reveals how much hurt and shame it caused to people. The main character in this work is Seth. Okay, Seth is the main character of this work, Beloved. The main character is Seth, and she is a slave. She is a slave mother who decided to kill her children and then herself because her slave owner had found her. Okay, earlier she fled away from slavery, but her owner again found her and then she decided to kill herself and her children because she can't see her children to be a slave like her. She based this event of a real person's life, Margaret Gardner. Okay, Margaret Gardner is a real person, and the character of Seth is based on this real person. By using infanticide, she was able to use the shock factor in making readers more interested in the book. Infanticide is when a mother kills her own child. Toni Morrison won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction for Beloved in 1988 and she won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993. Okay. The novels written by Toni Morrison provided a new outlook on African American life. Okay, she was the first African American woman to win a Nobel Prize in Literature. Okay. Her writings have inspired many African American women to become writers. Okay, they have seen her success and know that they can do it too. They can now believe that if Toni Morrison had done it, they also can do it. Her novels allows every person regardless of race a chance to learn about African American culture and the struggles that are prevalent in everyday life. Now let's discuss some questions which were asked in previous NET JRF exam from Toni Morrison. So after going through these questions, you will get an idea about the exam pattern of UGC. So let's begin the questions. The very first question asked in June 2005, Toni Morrison used male narrator for the first time in which of her novel? Toni Morrison used male narrator for the first time. Here the right answer is option number A, Song of Solomon. We have just discussed this novel and the main character in this novel is Milkman Did. Okay, so Toni Morrison used male narrator for the first time in this work, Song of Solomon. The next question asked in December 2006, Pecola is a character in, and we have discussed that the Pecola is a character in The Bluest Eye. Okay, so the right answer is option number A, The Bluest Eye. The next question asked in June 2009, Playing in the Dark by Toni Morrison is a series of reflections on which one will be the right answer. Please check the options and try to answer. Here the right answer is option number C. Okay, Playing in the Dark by Toni Morrison is a series of reflection on whiteness and the literary imagination. The next question asked in June 2010, Sith is a character in, and we have already discussed that Sith is a famous character in the work of Toni Morrison, Beloved. Okay, the work Beloved is talks about slavery, and Sith is a slave character. She wants to kill her child and then herself. Why? Because she don't want to return in slavery again. Okay, the right answer is option number C, Beloved. The next question asked in June 2012, who among the following is a Nobel laureate? And here the right answer is option number A, Toni Morrison. Okay. So the next question asked in July 2016, which novel of Toni Morrison tells the vanishing story of a protagonist who murders her child rather than to allow her to live as a slave? Okay, so which one will be the right answer? You can easily understand and choose the right answer. Okay, so here the right answer is option number D, Beloved. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you all. So please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification when we upload the video. Okay, for more notes and classes, you can contact us on the given WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us. Okay, thank you. Stay with Archana at JRF.in.